today I will take your English class. And English class, today I will just take your adjective. And everybody, you are having today grammar class. Today ma'am will not take, today I will take, and I think you are fine in your home. How are you? You are okay now? You are safe? Okay, but please mute your microphone. You can write in the chat, and now please listen the describing words or adjectives. Okay, describing words or adjective. Okay, beta. Okay, Chandralekha or Chishman, everybody, I have seen that. Okay, okay. So today I will just revise the describing words or adjectives. 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 So what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. But for what? Describing words of a noun. Okay, describing words of a noun. So here they are qualifying the noun, they are modifies the noun, they are describing the noun. So describing words are called adjective. So describing words are telling what kind of noun are, how many, how much, their shapes, their size, their colors, all these are describing words. Please beta everybody mute your microphone, and everybody I am requesting you mute your microphone. So describing words tells us what kind of this, what kind of noun they are, what color, what shapes, what sizes, how many, how much, all this, how many numbers are there, how much are there, what order they are having. So all these are adjectives. First one I will describe just, and also one thing you should remember, adjectives are placed generally before the noun, but after noun also we can tell that, because you have having one example in your book that her voice is sweet. So here also sweet voice. So here if I am telling her voice is sweet, so sweet voice, so that sweet is called adjective. So here just first I will discuss the adjective of quality. Okay, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality, what they are telling, what kind of adjective is, what kind of adjective, what kind of nouns are. I just told the qualifies the noun, describing words qualifying or describes the noun. So what kind of noun they are? What kind of nouns? Like this, beautiful dress. You are having one beautiful dress. Beautiful dress. What kind of nouns? This beautiful dress, that is that beautiful dress. If I am telling that this dress beautiful, they are telling what kind of, this is adjective and these are noun. So this is a quality. Okay, this is the quality of an adjective. Please remember, always notice that here noun is the noun that qualifies. Okay, this what qualifies the noun or describes the noun. One another thing, again you will read adverb. That time you will be, if you don't know properly the adjective, you will be confused. Okay, so display is not clear, but I have seen the clear display. Okay, here beautiful dress, adjective. So one thing, another two things, two adjectives I will just tell, that quality of adjectives I told. Next I can tell the quantity. Quantity. Quantity, and second one another, this is second one quantity, third one number. These two are also little bit same, but quantity means I am telling that how much you want, and here how many, here how much, here how many. Please these two things remember, how much and how many. If I am telling I have enough money, give me some water, give me some food, this some, enough are quantity, some food, example some. But if I am telling I have 6 books, you can tell me, ma'am, I have 10 pens, I have 3 pencils, 2 erasers. So this 2, like this 3 books, 3 books, 4 copies, 5 pencils, all these are that this number, they are denoting number 3, 4, 5, all these are number. So that is quantity, adjective of, and adjective of number. Number 4, again you can think that adjective of quantity, number, and adjective of ordinal or ordinal adjective, whatever we can write, that ordinal adjective, ordinal adjective. Ordinal adjective, what is this? That is, they are given order, first, second, third. You are having so many benches. So first row, second row, third row we can tell. So here if I am telling first boy, second row, just again you will notice this boy are noun, first are ordinal adjectives, second is ordinal adjectives, and row is the noun. So here please listen that, that's ordinal adjective, first boy, second row, these are ordinal, order, they are telling the order. So first from what did we learn? Adjective of quality, what kind of they? It is good, bad, tall, short, color, colorful, beautiful, all these are this quality, adjective of quality. Adjective of quantity, how much. Adjective of number, that is how many, 1, 2, 3 books, like this, 3 books, 4 copies, 5 pencils. After that, ordinal adjectives. Ordinal adjectives, this is also order, first boy, second row, third girl, whatever we can telling, just we are telling the order of the adjective, that is they are telling the ordinal adjective. Then after that another 2-3 adjectives we will learn. Please mute your microphone, please mute your microphone. Then after that 5 adjective, that interrogative adjective, demonstrative adjective, and possessive. First one I will just discuss demonstrative. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, what is the demonstrative? That is point out that. Point out the noun. If I am telling this duster, this book, this is my book. If I am telling that is your book, but this book is mine and that book is yours. 2 sentences I have told. First one, you can see, this book is mine. This book is mine. Next, number 2, this book is mine. So here, this book is a noun, and these these are the demonstrative adjective, because that is that they are pointing that. Second one, also that book is yours. That book, whatever, that is, book is the noun and that are the adjective. After that, I told another sentence. This is my book. This same sentence I can just tell. This is possessive adjective. Possessive. Possessive adjective, it is there. This is my book. This is my book. So here my, possessive means some possession we are having, possession. We are having something, we are belonging something. So that things means that my book, here book is a noun, just before that adjective is there. So here possessive adjective, my is the possessive adjective and book is the noun. After that, we can tell interrogative adjective. So demonstrative and possessive adjective you have learned. Demonstrative adjective, this book is mine. So this book, these are is the qualifying words for noun book. So that is demonstrative, this pointing something. And this is my book. Book is possessing, book is belonging to me. So my book, so my is the possessive adjective. Another adjective I can tell interrogative. Interrogative adjective. Please notice it. Here always that noun, that words qualifying the noun. So what book? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? Here book is again noun and whose are the qualifying words. So here whose is the adjective. So whose book is this? What kind of bird is this? What bird is this? So here what bird is this? What bird? What is the kind of, what bird? That is interrogative noun. Interrogative noun. Interrogative noun. Please listen. Whose book is this? What bird is this? So interrogative noun. Interrogative adjectives. Here qualifying the noun, so interrogative adjective is there. So interrogative means asking question. So asking question by adjectives. These adjectives help us to ask. These adjectives help us to ask the question. So these 7 adjectives we have already learned. Here the call ended here. And here just think that first from I am just telling that first one adjective of quality, second one adjective of quantity, third one adjective of number, number fourth, so adjective of quality, quantity, number, and fourth one we can tell that number. After that we can tell adjective of quality, quantity, number. Next ordinal, number 5. Number 5 we can tell that demonstrative adjective, number 6 possessive, number 7 interrogative, So, we should remember just before that noun we are placing adjective. Before the noun we are placing adjectives, and also at the same time we are telling that this adjective is describing the noun. This adjective describing the noun. From first again you will think the blue dress, tall girl, short boy, whatever, this blue, short and tall, they are telling what kind of person is, what kind of person, what kind of dress is. This is qualifying the noun. So, this is quality. Quantity, how much sugar do you want? I want some sugar, I want some food. So, some, that is not proper type, properly I am telling that proper amount of sugar. Proper amount of sugar or proper amount of food. If I am telling I want 5 books, so at that time we are telling how many books I want. So, then how many books I want, that does means that is adjective of number. I want 5 books. So, 5 qualifying the nouns books. So, here 5 is the adjective of number, and after that we are just telling the adjective of number. After the adjective of ordinal adjective means order, first, second, third, fourth, that is ordinal adjective. And after next that interrogative, demonstrative and possessive. I have told 3 sentences. Demonstrative for pointing the noun, just point, this book is mine. Book is the noun, these are adjectives. So, these is adjective. So, this is demonstrative adjectives. If I am telling this is my book, so my just denoting, my denoting means belonging for me. So, this is I am having this book. So, my is possessive, my denoting possession. And next one interrogative. Interrogative means that adjectives helps us to ask like this, what bird is this? Whose purse is this? Whose book is this? This who, to what and also which. After that you can think that after that they are having noun. So, they are qualifying the noun. So, that is also describing words for the asking. So, that is interrogative adjectives. So, please tell me if you are having any problem in adjectives, please ask. Please write in your chat, anybody, if you are having any problem. So, I think you have understood the adjectives, so no problem. Okay, thank you beta, bye.